Humans have never been separated from food, especially for Indonesians. They recognize halal food. Halal foods may be considered as trivial things because it has been integrated into society. However, do we really understand the halal food?
On this course, we will discuss about halal food awareness with the theme discussing the halal food issues from the cities with majority of Islamic population and the minority of Islamic population perspective in Indonesia. And the second is emphasizing the challenge and the solutions of halal food issues in Indonesia and international context.
Before designing this course, we pay a lot of attention to the need analysis. The first one is the niche. Muslims from countries with Islamic minority population needs more insight and relation about Islam. And the last is there are some countries with minority of Islam that still restrict and not really understand about the Islamic rules. And the last is the necessity. The necessity of this course is Muslim can be more aware about halal food issue by focusing on the challenge and how to solve them.
This course do have some principles. The first, the learning should include Islamic global understanding. The second, it should implement critical thinking 6.1. The third, the material should be in the context of Islamic boarding school for senior high schoolers. The fourth is it should focus on the equality of the students. And the last, it is oriented towards a sustainable future.
So for the goals in this course, students will get personal Islamic growth to build 21st century skills, which is argumentations, and 5.0 technological skills and ability, and to expand relations by dakwah.
In the first topic, we will discuss about what and why should halal food. So, in this topic, students introduce themselves and Islamic country knowledge. And the second is the pre-course student brainstorm about definition and importance of halal food using you.
So the second topic is challenges in finding halal food. Here, students can share their challenge in finding halal food in their cities with friends in different countries using the breakout Zoom session. And the second, the stakeholder in finding the expert in halal food issue from MUI or Majelis Ulama Indonesia. In the second week and the third week, they use Flip Post, and in the third week, they use Zoom and Padlet.
So for the fifth topic is the solution in finding halal food. In here, the student will share their argument about halal food criteria, halal food logo, forgery issue, and influential factor of halal food. We will also invite the expert of halal food issue from IOFS or Islamic Organization of Food Security. The activity of giving argument of the students is in line with the English syllabus of giving argumentation. So this topic will cover the fourth and the fifth weeks. In the fourth week, we will use Zoom, and in the fifth week, we will use Kahoot.
So for the last topic is the implementations of this project. So students will make a group online poster by focusing on have they found halal food in their city, how do they know if it's considered halal food, is it difficult to get halal food in their city, what do they need to pay attention to, and what is their future strategy. So for the 6th week, they will use Canva collaborations design tool.
So in designing this course, we still found a lot of problems. So we try to evaluate by showing you the problem and the solution.
The first problem is overload activities and lack motivation and time.
And the solution is extend the duration of the evaluation or final test.
So the third problem is that the boredom of the students with the topic and the oral materials. And to solve this problem, we will provide ice-breaking activities in the middle of the learning process.
So for the last problems, there is minimum graphic design knowledge for the poster task, but we found solutions for these problems by allowing students to use design templates and tutorials.
So don't forget to join our course.
June 3rd, 2024
Until July 13, 2024. See you on the course.
Bye bye!